Hello everyone, welcome to my class, especially designed for all ages. Today's lesson is going to be for younger people, probably 4 to 6 year olds, and it's a fun lesson that you can do with your youngest sibling or with a young child. So this is an art class especially designed to be shared. So find your younger person and get some paper, get some pencils, and let's get started. First, we are going to just use simple dots and lines for this project. And we're going to guess what it is as we draw it. We're going to start with dots. We're going to use circles. We're going to use small circles. We're going to use big circles. We are going to use triangles. If you've never drawn a triangle before, a triangle is really, it has 3 sides. There are 3 dots, and you connect those dots together from one dot to the next dot, from this dot to that dot. We're also going to use lines. We are going to use lines that stand up and lines that are lying down. We are going to use squiggly lines, and we are going to use bumpy lines. Well, I call these bumpy lines. They go bump, bump, bump. That's about it. We're going to use these shapes, and we're going to create a mystery drawing. So here we are. Are you ready? Okay, the first thing we are going to do for our mystery drawing is a dot. Do you have a dot? Okay, around that dot, we are going to make a circle. Around that circle, well, we're not going around that circle. Beside that circle, we are going to make a line that stands up. Does this look like anything yet? I wonder, is it a plant? Is it an animal? Is it a person? What do you see? In the middle of that line, I am going to draw a line that lies down and goes sideways. From the top of this line, I'm going to draw a triangle that connects to that line. From the bottom of this line, I'm going to draw a triangle that connects to the point. Okay, does anyone know what this is yet? I wonder what you think it is. I would love to know. Love to pick your brains. From the top of this line, I'm going to go around like that. And then I'm going to draw well, it's not a perfect circle, but a kind of circle. And before I connect this end to that end, I'm going to stop because I want to add some tail feathers. Wow. Let's make it a little fancy. So I'm sure you know that I'm drawing a bird. Okay, what parts do you think I need to add to a bird to finish it off? Should it have legs and feet Should it have long legs or short legs? I think it could have kind of long legs. Since it's an imaginary bird, it doesn't have to be realistic. It's anything that you can imagine. And look, it's got a knee. I'm going to bend this knee. Haha, it's walking. There we go. What else do we need for this bird? Wings. This is where I'm going to add my bumpy line. Okay, what do you think of my bird? How about a special little feather on its head? Just for fun. And I wonder what we could call this bird. If you have any ideas, you can send me a message. I wonder. Okay. Next, I think we're going to add another bird to make a friend for this one. What do you think? Okay, let's start.